Hello friends, good evening. Today I am going to discuss a very interesting real business case where managing point of sale transaction with partial payment as well as giving on customer credit like payment by customer at later stage. So how we can handle that? So the first thing you need to check is payment method where customer account has to be set, where identify customer is mandatory and no other things required. And then regular cash and bank journals are already set. Once it is there, you open your point of sale register, open your cash counter and make any transaction and then identify the customer. Once it is done, you go to payment. Now customer is willing to pay this 110 in 2 installment. So what we will do, we will first collect the cash, and in cash we mention like he is paying 50 in the cash and remaining 60. Once you click customer account, it will go to register as receivable on customer account. Now to settle this customer account, the invoice will be mandatory. So I click this and I validate this transaction. Now what happens, as soon as I validate this particular transaction, it will create one invoice for us and a transaction receipt by it will showing 50 rupees as a cash and rest 60 as a customer account as a credit. Now what I will do, I will simply close my register and register my cash counter at the end of day, and you can see customer account 60 is outstanding and I am closing my register. Now I do have an invoice. So what I will do when customer comes back normally, then I will definitely point out to the customer invoice. So over here, I do find the invoices which is received by customer over here, and then I can see 50 is paid and amount due is 60. So at later date, you can always open, your accounting, customer invoice, and over here it will mention partially paid and you can settle the amount over here via bank or cash, whatever way the customer is paying, and your transaction will be marked as done. And then when you go into point of sale, everything will be showed as a settled over here with your historical order. Now you can see 110 is already paid. You can see the details if for this and payment also for this over here in your transaction list. So this is very easy to manage a partial payment via credit card or cash, or via customer credit like customer account and cash, or credit card or bank in the POS also with this app. Hope this will help many people, many user to create the similar journey for accepting partial payment as well as customer credit on account and then later collecting the payment in the Odoo POS like this. If you have any question, do reach me on my YouTube or LinkedIn or email. Thank you guys. Have a good day.